Mukha na isang tutuod na account. Do not fucking come here with a dummy account because you are fucking showing people cowardice. You wanna have a debate with me? Nga hindi ko maglabot sa mga bastardo, sa mga bilatsing Iloy. They're supposed to be moral people. They should possess moral ascendancy. If you are a public servant, you should possess this. Isn't it that when a person run for a fucking office, they actually encourage that person to have a family, to establish that that person has a sense of commitment, to establish that the character of a person has a sense of responsibility. Isn't it that when you are in the government, people would ask, why are you not married yet? Even the kings and queens, even the old days before, in the land of far, far away, before you become a queen or before you become a king, they were encouraged to be married. Why is that? Because that is a sense of commitment and sense of responsibility. You could tell a woman's character or a man's character how she fucking managed her life handling morality. Di magamuna gani bilat sing Iloy nga gapaitot sila sa may mga kirido nga duwa mo sino tatay sa mga bata ya kasado sa hindi na sa kasado pot. Mango, ano ang labot ko? Ang tax nga ginagastos ang bilat sing Iloy ako na sa tax. Tax mo kag tax ang tanan nga tao sa Pilipinas. If she were not in the fucking position, I don't give a shit if she has 4 bastards with 11 bastards. I don't give a flying fuck. But because the very reason that this stupid bitch is using the ill-gotten wealth of the Filipino people, especially the Iloilo City funds, for her own fucking expenses. Dapat nga reklamuhan ko sa I am practicing my institutional right to fucking debate, to have a conversation, to have an agreement, to fucking tell them that I am not okay with the way they are working. They are not gods. I do not work for them. They work for us. Isn't it that when they run for fucking election, they tell people that they are of the service of the Filipino people? They are actually called public figures, public servants. So if they are serving the country, I'm supposed to tell them, where is the fucking money? Why the fuck did you have a quotation of 1.3 million for one single fucking post of a light with a fucking solar panel? This is not only about light. This is an insult to the intelligence of the Ilonggo.